Stop scrolling. If your hair is breaking anytime when you wash it, you are doing it wrongly. Most people going straight to shampoo without detangling their hair first. And that is exactly why your hair keep breaking, thinning, and refuse to grow. Today, I'm going to show you how I transform my daughter dry hair, detangle her hair using natural ingredients. No pain, no breaking, no stress. If you want long, thicker, healthy hair, watch this to the end because these steps will change everything. My friends, welcome back to Princess Haircare. Today I'm going to show it to you guys how the most important steps and people are ignoring it. And that is detangling before washing your hair. If you skip these steps in your wash day, you are giving yourself, you are putting your hair into a trouble. You are causing breaking, thinning without knowing it. So today's video, I'm going to explain to you guys the exact things that you can use to detangle your hair and the important part of detangling before washing your hair. Why detangling hair before washing is important? Detangling hair, when you detangle your hair is going to get more soft and easier to wash. And also, but guys, you can see the amount of hair that we have in my hand after 3 weeks. It's not, it's good, right? This is amount of hair that after I'm opening it for 3 weeks, good 3 weeks. So now let's continue with the detangling for me to see the amount of the bad notes that will come out. So that the end of the video, I will show it to you guys to see the amount of hair that my daughter lost after 3 weeks mini braids. So let's continue. Important of detangling your hair. You can use aloe vera gel, you can use flaxseed gel, you can use okra gel or fenugreek. Anything that you think. You can use even oils even to make it as like pre-wash before washing your hair. But don't go direct to start washing your hair direct. That way is damaging your hair. It's causing a lot of damaging to you are causing a lot of damaging to yourself. When you detangle your hair first, it's going to reduce breaking and make wash day easier and protect your hair from protect your hair length from breaking and keep your hair thicker. That is what we are looking for, right? Because anytime when you are doing whatever that we all doing, we want our natural hair to get more longer, thicker and healthier. That is the best part that we want. But when we want it, what is the important part are we skipping? What thing that are we need to do? These are the things that we need to do or we need to know. If you don't know it, you have to learn it. How to detangle your hair before wash. Don't wash it. If you are washing your hair direct, please from today or from this video going, don't wash your hair direct again. Start detangle or make pre-wash before you go and shampoo your hair. So today's video, I'm going to use flaxseed gel to detangle my princess hair. Okay, I'm using flaxseed gel. Flaxseed gel is giving amazing slippery for easier detangling when you are using flaxseed gel. And flaxseed gel is not going to end there. I will definitely going to add olive oil also. And olive oil is softening and protecting the hair strands. This combination is perfect because it is allow your it's going to allow your fingertips to combine, to massage, to detangle it, to separate everything easier, your hair to separate everything easier. Before you are doing detangling or before you are going to wash, always make sure to use your hand first. After you start, when you just start detangle, don't start with comb, please, because while you are using your fingers, your nail, your fingertips or your hands, that will make you will feel every note that is inside your hair. You will feel that note so that you use your hand to remove all those notes before you put comb inside. So beginning, don't start with comb, start with your fingers, tips. Remove it before you use the finger to do finger detangle before you use comb. I'm using my aloe vera. I sprayed it into my eyes. Look at guys, I'm spraying it into my eyes. So anyway, as you can see, the way the hair, my daughter hair is dry, I'm detangling it. If I try to wash it like this, I'm going to break it and hurt hair. So that is why you guys can see how the hair is rough, is dry, everything after 3 weeks. By 3 weeks definitely I'm washing it, but still it cannot be wash like proper like when you open the hair. So everything just mixed together. So this thing, if I don't detangle it and I'm going to wash this child hair, she's going to cry, she will cry, she will disturb, she will going to scream. I don't want it that way. So it's the same thing to you. If you have children and you are going to do it, please always make sure to detangle their hair, and you yourself also detangle your hair before go and wash it. I start by applying the flaxseed gel, because I didn't use normally. If your flaxseed gel is combined with a lot of water, you don't need to add any hydrate the hair again. But my flaxseed is I make it a little bit watering today, so that's why I did not use water. But if the flaxseed is very thick, I make it very thick, I boil it and I get thicker flaxseed gel. Then it means I will use my spray water. I will use water to hydrate her hair first before apply it. Okay, so it depends of how you boil your flaxseed. That will tell you whether you will have to hydrate it with water again, or you don't need to hydrate it with water. You just need to start detangling it straight. So I start by applying the flaxseed gel first. Then I added aloe vera, olive oil. Sorry, I added olive oil on the top, as you guys can see how I make it, to make sure that all the part is what to the roof. Every part is taking the olive oil and the flaxseed gel. So for me making it this way, there's another way also for you to make yours also. You can use, instead of you to separate olive oil and flaxseed gel, you can mix everything and start to apply it to your daughter or your hair. So for me, I do it this way, and this is the way that I'm doing it. But yours, you can do it other way around, or you also can do it this way. Please, if you watch this video to this point and you know that you haven't subscribed and you love what I'm doing, please kindly do me a favor by liking this video. Your liking, it means a lot for me. That will make YouTube algorithm for them to push this video to other mothers, other parents also to see it, so that those who want to grow their children hair but they don't know how they can do to manage it, so that they also will take the steps, that easier step, to take the step and take care of their children hair and their own hair also. So please like the video for me. And if okay my people, what I'm talking, I forgot to tell these people something very important. Before you detangle your hair, always make sure to make it section by section. As you guys can see how I section my daughter hair, I make it section by section. I divide it into 6 pieces, every one size 3, one size 3. So you do it section by section is much better. So start from the ends, okay, and not the roof. You have to start from the ends and work down to the roof also. Okay, slow working, just make it very slow. Don't be in hurry. You just be patient with your hair, be gentle with your hair. You don't need to be rushing or making it something that is going to be get more complicated for you. And don't use comb. As I said, first use your fingers. So from the finger detangle, after you use your finger, finish doing the detangle, then you use your comb to comb it gently. Okay, combing it gentle, not force. Don't force it. The biggest mistake people make is rushing and pulling the hair. That is the biggest mistake some people make. That is how your people are losing hair length. That is how people are losing their hair length, because like the way you are pulling your hair while you are going to detangle it, it will make you lose your hair length, and you are just wondering how things are going, why things are going like that. Look at this difference now, guys. You can see now my daughter hair, I'm adding more oil inside. Look at the difference now. The hair is very soft and smooth and easier to manage. No stress, no pain, no breaking. So as you guys can see, there's not any breaking. And I'll still, because immediately when you do it this way here, then you have to know that that one there for sure 100% in the bathroom you will not get anything again, because you have already moved all the bad notice, everything. You clear everything before you are taking hair or taking yourself going to wash. So now the hair is very, it's ready to sit down small. But the most important part, I'll allow her sit like 1 hour before I'll take her and go and wash it. So now I'm going to stir the hair very well, because I don't want the flaxseed gel to drop or any oil to drop on her ears, so that she will not ask me to wash it very quick. So I have to stir the hair and make sure that the hair get penetrate very well to her scalp, penetrate very well to the hair before I wash it. So now see how I'm going to cover my daughter hair, my people. See how I'm going to cover her hair. I want long, I want, if you also want long, I want my daughter to have a long hair. That is my dream with natural hair. So if you also want long, healthy, beautiful hair, never skip detangling before washing. Okay, if you also want long, healthy, beautiful hair, fuller, never and ever skip detangling before washing your hair. Try this method and you will see the difference immediately, I bet you. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to Princess Hair Care. This channel, we are doing hair care. As I told you guys, I am doing hair care, and also I'm doing beauty care, like how we can do to remove our dark spot, our acne. If your face, you have a dull skin, if your skin is thick, you want soft, you want glassy skin, this channel is for you, because this channel is for all the beauty things, natural beauty things, how we can do to get our beauty in naturally without chemicals. Because now some of the chemicals even are hurting some of our sisters. You can see some sisters just be nice skin, but finally when you see the face, you cannot recognize the person. The face is changing. Why? Because of the chemicals using. Chemicals using, that one I told you people the beginning. Always read, because like, let's say for example you went and buy some creams. They say, maybe they told you that it's night cream, you are buying it, you are using it in the daytime, which is not good. Or you buy some cream, they can tell you that it's the daytime, but when you read it, you see that there is a lemon inside, acid is inside. Acid is not contained, you cannot use something with acid and going under inside of sand. If something, any cream that is contained with acid, you cannot go inside the sand, because sand is going to that. If you go out inside the sand, it's going to damage your face, my sisters. So please, those who are buying creams just to look glassing, to look beauty, I'm not saying they are not doing well, but the problem is we are not reading what they write before. They are not reading before they are using it. So now for me here, I'm doing natural things, how we can do to remove that damaging, cream damaging, sun damaging, dark spot, acne, those things that I'm teaching here. So if these things sound like something that you are interested, why not, you should mash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Anytime when I upload video, definitely YouTube algorithm, they will notify you, for you to know that Princess and her mother, they are on board. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you all. I would love to see you in our next video. Right now I'm going to allow her sit at least 1 hour If she sleep maybe 2 hours time, we'll go and wash. If she doesn't sleep, then 1 hour time, I'll take her and go and wash it. Bye bye, we love you all. So guys, now it's time for me to show it to you people, the hair that we the hair amount of hair that we lost while I make her hair. And now removing her chair also, now she's getting bigger than her chair. If she that chair, if she sit there, is much more easier for me to do my work. She cannot get up, but you can see amount of hair that we lost. That's it.